Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. I hope you are having a great day. Today, I'm going to walk you through fixing a dripping Delta kitchen faucet. I've identified that the issue lies with the cartridge. In this guide, I'll show you how to 1. Identify the correct cartridge. 2. Determine if you can get a replacement under warranty. 3. Replace the cartridge and diagnose the failure. Let's get started. Step 1. Identifying the correct cartridge. To identify the correct cartridge for your faucet, visit Delta's website. They provide 4 different cartridge options for single-handle faucets, so selecting the right one is important. 1. Go to Delta's Shop Repair Parts website. If you know your faucet's model number, enter it in the search bar. If you don't know the model number, use Delta's interactive site to narrow it down. Select kitchen faucets, sink faucets, single-lever electronic/non-electronic and find your faucet. 2. Find the installation manual. The installation manual will provide details on disassembly and installation. Look for the assembly drawing and part illustration to find your cartridge's part number. Step 2. Checking for warranty replacement. Delta offers a lifetime warranty on some cartridges. Here's how you can check. 1. Call Delta's warranty support 1-800 number on their website. 2. Provide your model number. 3. Confirm if your cartridge is covered under warranty. 4. If covered, Delta will ship you a free replacement. The process takes less than 10 minutes, and Delta's customer service is very helpful. If your cartridge isn't under warranty, check your local hardware store or compare prices on Amazon for the best deal. Step 3. Replacing the cartridge. 1. Turn off water supply. Shut off both the hot and cold water valves under the sink. Cover the sink drain to prevent losing small parts. 2. Remove the handle. Use a flathead screwdriver or utility knife to remove the decorative button covering the set screw. Use an Allen wrench to loosen, not fully remove, the set screw. Lift off the handle and set it aside. 3. Remove the cap and bonnet. Unscrew the cap counterclockwise by hand. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the bonnet. Hold the faucet steady to avoid twisting it. 4. Remove and replace the cartridge. Take note of the cartridge's orientation before removing it. Lift out the old cartridge and insert the new one, ensuring the alignment tabs match. Reinstall the bonnet and hand tighten it, then give it one full turn with the wrench. If using a torque wrench, tighten to 70 to 100 inch-pounds. Step 4. Diagnosing the old cartridge. After replacing, I inspected my old cartridge. The issue was a worn-out gasket, causing the leak. The rest of the cartridge was in good shape, but the thin gasket had deteriorated over time. Replacing a Delta faucet cartridge is straightforward and can be done in under 30 minutes. If your faucet is leaking, this simple fix can save you time and money. Remember to check for a warranty replacement before purchasing a new cartridge. Happy fixing!